No!
What's up, dudes? Welcome back to my channel. For those just tuning in, my name is Jax, and today I'm going to be changing the battery out of my 2008 Yamaha V Star 650. Not because I want to, but because I have to. So what you're going to need today is a flathead screwdriver, an Allen key, and a new battery.
Pro tip, when you first buy the battery, make sure you trickle charge it for about an hour to get the juices going.
Alright, so first you're going to want to remove this bolt with the Allen key. Put that aside. And you're just going to want to pull off the cover. There's a little hook down there and then a small grommet up here that holds it in. Okay, put that aside. Alright. So now you see this battery strap. There is a hook at the bottom right here, and you just want to take your flathead and slowly take it off. Put that aside over here. And then you got all these connectors for your lights and stuff. You want to just pull them out of the slots, get them out of the way. And you want to take off this front cover. So there's still this wire that's getting held down here by the cover. Pull that out there. Okay, so voila, this comes out. So all you have to do is remove the connectors from up here, and then this thing holding this giant wire at the bottom, probably for your rear lights, and then this thing comes off. Now we can access the battery. Okay, so you're going to want to remove these two bolts here holding the battery in, where the connectors are. They are a Phillips head, but you can use a flathead if you don't have a Phillips. You should have a Phillips though. Okay. And the battery's out.
Piece of trash. Just kidding, I'm gonna recycle this. Save the planet, yo. So these should come with your new battery. They're just new connection bolts. You want to take the backer and stick it in back at the terminals, and then match it up with the bolts on the front.
Alright, so you got your new battery here. I dry fitted these bolts so that they don't fall out when I'm trying to fit it in this small little compartment. Okay. Slides right in there. So you want to remove the bolt and then place it through the terminal. That's tight. And you want to do the other side. You always want to remove the negative first when you're taking the battery out, and then when you're installing the new battery you want to go positive first and then negative, just for safety. Alright, before you install anything else, like put it back together, you're gonna wanna test the bike to make sure it starts.
Okay, let's try this again. Woo! No problem.
You're gonna want to double check, triple check your connections are tight, so you don't wanna be fiddling around with it again. Then we put everything back in reverse order. So once you have your battery strapped on, you're going to want to put your cover back on. This little grommet sometimes likes to come off with this cover. So to install it easier, I always like to take it off and fit it back into this little slot. So I just have to push the cover back in instead of trying to fiddle with this grommet to go inside. Because as you can see, it takes a little while to massage it in there. Snap it back together and put the bolt back in and you're good. All finished. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And remember, always be snacking. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.